Hi, my friends. So today we're going to be able to read another book about growing things in a garden, and the title of our book is The Surprise Garden. Our author who writes the words is Zoe Hall. The illustrator makes the pictures, and the illustrator for this book is Sherry Halpern. Look at the front cover of the book, friends. What do you see on the front cover? Can you turn and tell your family members what are some of the things that you can see? I see some things that are yellow, some things that are green, and some things that are red. I also see a doggy and a bunny. I see a butterfly on the front cover of the book and a little ladybug in the corner. Let's look at the back cover of the book to see what else we can find. On the back cover, we see some more things that are green and yellow and black and brown. Turn and tell your family members what you see. After you turn and tell your family members about some of the things you see on the front cover, you can make a prediction. When you make a prediction, that means you're using the words that you hear and you're using the pictures that you see to guess what's going to happen in the book or guess what the book is about. So can you make a prediction with your family members? What do you think this book will be about? The Surprise Garden. Let's get ready to read our book to see if our predictions were correct about the surprise garden. The Surprise Garden, written by Zoe Hall and illustrated by Sherry Halpern. The Surprise Garden. We're planting the seeds for a surprise garden. Can you guess what we will grow? We don't know. It's a surprise. First, we use our trowel and rake to loosen the soil. Mom has given us each a handful of all kinds of seeds. Look at all the different shapes and sizes. We poke the seeds into the soil one by one. We have painted sticks different colors to mark the different kinds of seeds. Then we water the seeds and wait for our surprise garden to grow. Soon the seeds sprout into small green shoots. We water the plants and the sun warms them. Our garden grows and grows. On some plants, flowers bloom. Before long, the petals fall off. Surprise! We see peas, beans, and squash. On some plants, leaves grow close to the ground. Surprise! We have spinach and lettuce. And what is growing here? Surprise! We see broccoli and cauliflower. So the children planted a garden with lots of different surprises. What were some of the plants and vegetables that they've grown so far? Is anything growing here? Surprise! We find carrots and radishes. They are growing under the ground. Here is the longest plant in our garden. Flowers bloomed on this plant too. Surprise! We find a big watermelon. So the children planted and grew a lot of vegetables, but they also grew a watermelon, which is a fruit. Here is the tallest plant in our garden. Surprise! It's a sunflower and it is full of tasty seeds. So there were fruits and vegetables and flowers in their garden. All summer long, the food in our surprise garden ripens. We like to pick the food and eat it too. Surprise! We're having a garden party. This page is all about all of the different plants that the children grew in their garden. Maybe you can plant a vegetable or fruit or flower with your family members too. The end. So we made some predictions before we were reading about some of the things that we would find in the surprise garden. Now that we are done reading, were any of your predictions correct? Thank you for reading with me today, my friends. Bye!